from the kitchen, they're calling you. Whip it up, shake it up, make it new. Voices from the kitchen, sing out loud. Turn it into magic, gather round. Tap, tap, listen close. Bang, bang. Flavors talk that deep.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Voices from the Kitchen, and yeah, today we're doing a little spaghetti sausage. Listen, if this is your first time here, like, subscribe, and share, and do all that good old stuff. And as of course, as always, the recipes will be in the description, so if you want to follow along, that's that. Just want to let you guys know I'm doing a little something a little special. I know I didn't show you what kind of sausage I'm using that good old Jimmy Dean. All right, but check this out, just not any old kind of Jimmy Dean. I'm using sage and regular Jimmy Dean sausage. I put a little Zydeco in there, put a little Parmesan cheese in there, and I put a little bit more Italian sauce in there, a little Italian seasoning in there. Why? Because it's just gonna make it that better. This is how we're gonna make our meatballs, right? We're gonna get it in there. You see I got my black gloves on, you know what I'm saying? It's a black tie event, you know what I mean? A black hand event, to be honest. And yeah, we're gonna roll these meatballs and we're gonna drop these bad boys right into the pan and get them all sizzled up, right? So I'm just gonna show you guys right here. There's no perfect technique to rolling meatballs, right? But for me, with the gloves on, you get them in there, you roll a little bit, you know, you get your hands and you're rolling, rolly with a dab of ranch, but no ranch here, okay? Just Parmesan cheese, all right? Got a little sage in there, got the Italian seasoning in there, put that Parmesan in there. Everything is great. And this is how you want to roll up your meatballs, okay? You want to get them in there, you want to put them in there. Now, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do a little bit later on, because I'm getting ahead of myself, but I'm gonna tell you a little secret. So I only use 2 rolls, right? So two standard rolls of Jimmy Dean sausage, right? One sage, one regular. And what I'm gonna do is I'm rolling these balls up, but at the same time, while I'm rolling these balls, big, small, however you like them. Me personally, I rolled them medium size, but later on I'm gonna cut these bad boys up just to give more sausage, to put more sausage in the spaghetti, because who doesn't love balls, okay? Who doesn't love a good meatball, all right? Sausage, beef, whatever. For this recipe, it's sausage. And shout out to Jimmy Dean for getting different with his sausage, okay? Pause, if you guys know what that means. But I'm going to show you guys, like, okay, we're coming up on the last meatball here. We're going to rub it. We're going to get as much meat on that thing as we can. And I'm going to show you, like, here we go. Ooh, this is what it looks like in that pan. Doesn't look like a lot of meatballs, right? But okay, so who cares? It's meatballs. It's in the pan, right? I'm gonna throw some little ground black pepper on top of those bad boys, because if you didn't notice, I didn't put any of it in the first end. Also, too, I want to let you guys know, salt is not the way, okay? Salt is an emulsifier. Salt is to enhance the taste. Always got my extra virgin olive oil, because who doesn't love a virgin, all right? But also, too, got them noodles boiling at the same time. Check them out. Boom. Remember, salt. Once again, salt is only here as a taste test, okay? It's just whatever flavors you put in there, the salt is going to make them just that much better. No salt on my noodles. Don't need any. Right there, that's a little pesto. That's a little pesto sauce, right? Seasoned it up, put a little black pepper in there as well. You want your noodles to be seasoned all good. And of course, I threw some olive oil in there, bad boy, as well. You know why? Because it's going to stick those flavors to the noodles. And that's what you really want, right? You want flavor in your noodles. See, the olive oil right there. Never leave my kitchen, right? There you go. The garlic basil pesto. And then, of course, the Prego. Now, this is a struggle bill. Now, look at those. Look at that sausage over there looking all light-skinned or whatnot. Okay, I'm going to put that back on the top, because why not? I need that over there, all right? We're going to let that cook for a little bit longer. Oh, you see that? It's steamed up. Now they're getting brown skin, baby. That's what we like. We like that brown skin. Nobody wants light skin. All right, so I already put some of my pesto in there. But also I came back through some diced chilies and tomatoes in there. And I'm saving that second tomato sauce for the Prego, right? Because I want to put that in there with the meatballs. So as you can see right now, like I remember I told you guys, it wasn't that many balls. So what I'm going to do, look at that, just so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put those in the pot. But what I've done here is I've cut some of these meatballs in half just so I can have more meatballs, or half balls, inside of my spaghetti. Okay, I know it. I heard it when I said it. Half balls, You know what I mean? You're not half the man that you used to be. But check this out. Check out my little fancy scooper that I got. Right? Shout out to the wife for this. You know what I mean? Nice little scooper. There we go. Look at it. I'm just gonna scoop that up. And I use this technically when I'm frying things. It's easy. Drop all that, get all that grease out of there. Haven't fried things in a long time. All right. Now we put the meatballs in there, and then we put the sauce on top, and now we're gonna spin this around. Right. Now remember, we got the noodles are already seasoned. The sauce is already, there's already a layer of sauce. That's the second layer of sauce, right? And the meatballs in there now. We're gonna let that sit for a while, and then we're gonna finish off with this beautiful masterpiece. Just a quick struggle meal. Thanks, guys. See you.